Thank you so much, Bob. It's an honor to be here with you today at Customer Driven. I'm Jujhar Singh, the General Manager for Dynamic CRM. I'm excited to be here to share three things: our vision for intelligent customer engagement, greater depth on Spring 2016 wave of CRM, and our industry-leading innovations that help customers focus on outcomes in a service economy. Scott talked about digital transformation and how companies are creating new business models and ways to engage with their customers. I'd like to take a step back and talk about why that is so important to businesses today. Customers' behavior has forever changed, creating both challenges and new opportunities for how companies think about engaging their customers. Everyone is mobile. Everyone is social. People trust opinions from their friends and peers more than they trust brands. Expectations around customer service continue to rise. In fact, according to the 2015 Global State of Multi-Channel Service Report, 60% of the consumers have higher expectations for customer service than they had just 1 year ago. And 62% of global consumers have stopped doing business with a brand due to poor customer service experience. And it's easier than ever to switch to a competitor. With 86% of consumers willing to pay more for a better customer experience, it's a whole new world where the customer has control. In fact, complete control. In this new world of the connected customer, now everything is increasingly connected. IHS predicts that there will be 80 billion connected IoT devices in operation by 2025. This provides amazing new opportunities for companies to rethink not only their approach for customer engagement, it enables them to rethink their business models and create new revenue streams. Creating a compelling customer experience is critical to any company's business strategy. By 2020, customer experience will overtake price and product as the key brand differentiator according to the Volcker 2020 customer report. Now, let's tie this all back to Microsoft's approach and vision around CRM, what we call intelligent customer engagement. At Microsoft, we are uniquely positioned to deliver on this vision. We deliver industry-leading customer engagement solutions combined with big data, advanced analytics, machine learning, IoT, and productivity tools so companies can empower their sales, service, and marketing employees to create amazing differentiated experience for their customers. Scott talked about digital transformation and the tie to CRM. I'd like to drill into three aspects of digital transformation, how they impact your company's customer engagement strategy. Engage your customers, empower your employees, and transform your products. Let's look at each one of these in a little bit more detail. Engage your customers. As I mentioned, creating compelling, personalized experiences for your customers is the heart of intelligent customer engagement, and it will differentiate your brand. Customer engagement is about building a relationship with customers over time and not a collection of single transactions. There are multiple dimensions we consider when we think about customer engagement. Let's talk about a few of them. Omnichannel. Customers expect to be able to engage at any time on their channel of choice, whether it's on the web, social, email, phone, or in person. Your company needs to be wherever your customers are, whenever they need you. Microsoft enables companies to power these types of omnichannel experiences. Secondly, personalized and contextual. Customers don't really care if they are talking to somebody in sales, service, or marketing. They want you to know who they are and their history with your company. They expect a personalized experience in the context of how they choose to engage. Microsoft provides a 360-degree view of all customer interactions to deliver personalized, contextual interactions regardless of how and when the customer chooses to connect with the company. Thirdly, outcome-driven. Ultimately, customers want quick resolution, whether it is learning more about a product, making a purchase, or resolving a problem. And they want it to be easy. 91% of customers will remain loyal to brands who offer low-effort interactions. Microsoft enables companies to create effortless, outcome-driven experiences for customers across channels. Empowering your employees. Behind every amazing customer experience are the employees that deliver them. So empowering your customer-facing employees is critical. Microsoft delivers guidance, best practices, tools to sales, customer service, field service, and marketing employees who are empowered to deliver best experiences to their customers. Let's go through how we empower sales, service, marketing, and everyone else. Sales. Recognized as a leader in the Gartner Sales Automation Magic Quadrant, Microsoft provides a complete and intuitive Salesforce automation solution that helps salespeople be more productive, so they are freed up to focus on what's more important, delivering amazing customer experiences. With essential insights, guidance, and tools, salespeople stay focused on the right customers and priorities, win faster by collaborating with colleagues to harness the power of the entire organization, and build trusted relationships with customers through personalized and relevant engagement. Customer service. Also a leader in the Gartner Customer Engagement Center Magic Quadrant for the third consecutive year, Microsoft helps companies build brand advocacy and earn customer loyalty by providing exceptional customer service across all channels and through any device. We provide self-service for the 84% of online customers who prefer to solve their own issues, as well as agent-assisted service. We empower customer service agents with a comprehensive set of intuitive tools, knowledge, and customer insights to help them deliver world-class customer service. Field service. Microsoft enables companies to manage installations and repairs that require an on-site visit at customer locations. Labor is the biggest cost for any service organization, so we empower companies to reduce cost, maximize their efficiency through optimizing, resourcing, and skill-based assignments that intelligently balance workloads. And every field resource is empowered with full customer insights, real-time guidance, rich media knowledge, and cross-team collaboration, all through any mobile device. More than cost, it's all about customer experience, and we focus on that. Marketing. Microsoft powers marketing operations, planning, execution, and analytics across all channels, be it email, digital, social, SMS, and traditional. Your marketing employees have the tools to engage customers one-to-one across channel, build your sales pipeline, and demonstrate the impact of your marketing investments in real time. Social. Microsoft enables companies to monitor what is being said about their brand, their products, or their services across a channel, analyze the sentiment, and then drive customer engagement. When we think about empowering customer-facing employees, we are looking at core focus areas including process guidance. Our entire CRM experience is designed to guide your employees to the next action to take with your customers. Our process guidance empowers every employee with best practices how to engage customers most effectively. Productivity. We leverage the powerful tools that employees use every day, including Outlook for email, calendars, contacts, Excel, Word, Skype, Yammer, and more to create immersive experiences between Office 365 on the one hand and CRM on the other hand. It's all about the immersive experiences. Mobility. We build our customer engagement applications for a mobile-first world. So employees can access their CRM application anytime, anywhere from any mobile devices, and consumers can engage as they choose. We also provide complete offline capabilities for remote employees across all three platforms. Intelligence. We tie in the power of big data and advanced analytics to intelligently guide employees to the best next actions with customers based on history and context. When I talk about Spring, I will highlight our industry-leading embedded machine learning scenarios. Transform your products. The service economy is one of the new approaches that is enabled by this digital transformation. Companies are moving away from traditional models of selling separate products and services as single transactions to focus on outcome-driven experiences, offering more comprehensive solutions that include value-added services for these products. The new service economy enables managed service offerings, including product installation, ongoing and preventative maintenance, upgrades, overhauls, and ongoing subscription revenue scenarios. Companies now also have the ability to access not just their internal resources to perform service, but increasingly they can leverage the skills and the availability of third-party resources. Gartner estimates that 50% of the US workforce will be contingent by 2020. Forward-thinking organizations will be prepared to capitalize on this expanded pool of resources and be able to leverage skills and proficiencies outside of their immediate organization against an expanding horizon of service needs. As Scott mentioned, today we announced the Connected Field Service solution, which empowers field service organizations to realize the power and the potential of predictive maintenance with IoT. Now organizations not only have the ability to monitor device data, detect anomalies, but they can and proactively identify the next best action for maintenance and repairs in real time. Harvard Business Review had a great example of this. All Traffic Solutions, for example, makes smart connected road signs that measure traffic speed and volume. The signs allow advanced data mining of traffic patterns and help law enforcement and other customers remotely monitor and manage traffic flows. The company's relationship with customers has shifted from selling signs to selling long-term services that improve safety without the need for police intervention. The signs are simply devices through which traffic management services are customized and delivered. Microsoft customers are doing the exact same thing. As you heard from Rolls-Royce and in the Ecolab case study, these are two very different companies who are both harnessing the power of big data, cloud-based services, and IoT to transform customer relationships by creating new business models that drive positive service outcomes. Our investments are enabling these new business models and offerings in the service economy. With that, I'm super excited to announce that on May 23rd, we announced general availability of our Spring 2016 wave of Dynamic CRM. The release builds on our regular cadence of innovation in CRM, updating our online service every 6 months and our on-premise release every year. The Spring 2016 release of CRM provides significant new enhancements that fall into 3 major themes. First, enabling the service economy. Our major theme for Spring is service. We take the definition of service to a new level in the industries, so companies can take advantage of opportunities presented by the new service economy with industry-leading end-to-end service, including our field service and our project service automation capabilities. Secondly, engaging external communities. The Spring Wave also introduces community engagement through portal solutions so companies can better connect with customers, partners, and employees with a streamlined way to access information, obtain assistance, and perform tasks. Portals for these communities are powered with the same data and processes accessed by traditional CRM users. Organizations can easily configure the amount of information accessed by their communities, enabling more coordinated communication among different teams and facilitating a single consistent voice. Empower via intelligent adaptive processes. We continue to invest in intelligence at the intersection of CRM processes and data, big data, and advanced analytics to deliver business insights as well as intelligent adaptive processes with embedded machine learning and guidance. Microsoft is the only provider in the market that provides embedded machine learning scenarios out of the box, harnessing the power of Azure machine learning. Intelligent selling with cross-sell recommendations so sales reps can predict which products and services a customer will need during the sales cycle. Intelligent customer service with recommendations of knowledge articles to empower service agents with answers to questions so they can more effectively resolve customer cases and solve problems on the spot. Intelligent social with adaptive learning and automated triage. Adaptive learning enables users to customize sentiment scoring models with higher precision. With automated triage, Microsoft Social Engagement will automatically detect intention in a social post and using machine learning, route them as cases or leads into CRM, boosting sales performance and empowering employees. In addition, with the Spring Wave, we are introducing Learning Path, which provides guided navigation via context-sensitive interaction and scenario-based tasks and sidebars that are personalized to the users. Learning Path helps onboard new application users quickly, walking a user through the steps needed to complete a task, thus facilitating user adoption of the application and improving user productivity. We have amazing assets for you to learn more about the Spring Wave that you can find on the Customer Movement landing page. Now let's go deep on service, which is our big story today. Our new field service and project service automation capabilities, along with our connected field service solution, take the definition of service to a new level in the industry. The role of customer service continues to evolve as organizations seek to sell services around products and predictive service, in addition to providing break-fix support. Microsoft now provides the full range of service solutions across customer self-service, agent-assisted, and on-site services. Microsoft has been delivering industry-leading customer service capabilities for customer self-service and agent-assisted service for years. For example, one of our customers, Reliance Life Insurance, they generate 25 million transactions and 200,000 queries per month from 11 million policyholders. Huge numbers. Customers and agent data on a single screen facilitates faster responses, shortening resolution time by up to 20%. Workflows immediately process requests, and claim processing has gone down by 2 days. And Telios, a wireless telecommunication provider, another customer of ours, saw a 30% reduction in training time for new customer service agents because of our solution's intuitive agent desktop, and by offering effective self-service options, they were able to decrease the call volumes by 20%, even as their customer base continued to grow. What's more, their investment paid for itself in just 2.5 months. With our Spring Wave, we have added field service and project service automation capabilities, Organizations now have the ability to schedule, manage, and deliver on-site service, whether it is by their field service technicians who is supporting multiple customers on a single day or complex multi-day projects. Field service matches proficiency and competency requirements for service calls against available resources for intelligent resource allocation and workload balancing with a single process from case management through to work order completion. Project service automation enables complex multi-day engagements and optimizes resourcing with intelligent skill-based assignments. And because of our CRM solution is built on a single platform, there is end-to-end visibility from opportunity creation to the final invoice. As I mentioned earlier, on May 23rd, we announced our new Connected Field Service solution. Connected Field Service, an out-of-the-box solution that brings together the powerful combination of Azure IoT and field service. In a connected field service scenario, IoT-enabled devices are continuously monitored, anomalies are detected, and then we generate alerts that trigger automated or recommended actions. With Connected Field Service, we are able to help field service customers realize the potential of predictive maintenance with IoT. With these new capabilities, Microsoft is uniquely positioned to help companies harness the power of the service economy today. Let's jump into the product to show you the power of our end-to-end service. I'm going to ask Eric Bucock, a colleague of mine, to show you Spring 2016 live in action. Eric.
Thank you, Jujhar. I'm going to walk you through some scenarios that showcase our spring release. We're going to start with Connected Field Service. Our organization uses Azure IoT Hub to collect data from the devices that we sell to our customers. When we detect a potential anomaly, it's going to create a service alert in Dynamics CRM. The technicians can take that service alert and try to send a remote command to resolve that issue directly from the application. If we're not able to resolve that issue, we can simply move this service alert to a customer service case and allow our agents to try to take further action on this potential issue. By bringing knowledge base articles directly in context of the case in CRM, the service agent can see some additional details of what the potential issue might be and how to resolve this. By looking at the details of the knowledge base article, the agent identifies that most likely a field service technician is going to have to be dispatched to take a look at this particular MRI and address the issue. Before we dispatch that technician, I want to call out one of the capabilities that Jujhar mentioned in his opener, the notion of learning path, in-app guided experiences. I can see right here in the application, as someone logged in with a customer service role, I get guided tasks. One of the potential tasks here is walking through the different ways to create a customer service case in Dynamics CRM. When I walk through those scenarios, I'm presented with overall data about the customer service case, a video, just some additional information to help make me more knowledgeable in the capabilities in the application. So now to dispatch the technician to address that work order, I can quickly see the available work order and identify the best resource based on their location and their skill set, and schedule this resource and send a notification to their mobile device. On the mobile device, the technician gains access to all of the information about the work order, the information coming from the sensor, the specific tasks needed to be completed, a map of the customer location, the ability to generate driving directions to get to that location, all of the information about the particular work order, the instructions that need to be completed, the schematic of the actual device that they're going to address, and when the work order is completed, the ability to obtain a signature from the customer. And once this work order is completed, the customer will be sent a link to fill out a survey. We want to obtain feedback from our customers about the level of survey we're presenting. They can simply go through, select the answers to the questions, rate the service, and submit that content back into Dynamics CRM so as an organization we can make sure we're delivering amazing customer experiences. Today, customers prefer self-service, and we provide a myriad of self-service choices that empower users with employee, customer, partner, and community portals. Let's take a look. So here in the customer self-service portal, the customer can log in and gain access to the most popular articles, recent articles, top-rated articles, as well as forums and the ability to get help. The customer can do a search and search data across all of the forums as well as the knowledge base to easily gain access to data. In this particular case, they can also access the individual forums that they can interact with, but also view the active customer service cases that they have going on with the organization and the ability to open a new case. So when you open up the actual case, I have all of the details, very easy for an individual to come in, respond, add some comments, and take action on this particular case with the organization. Customers use numerous channels to reach brands, with social being one of the most popular and often the most difficult to handle. Let's look at how we can analyze an incoming social post to ensure the next best action. So here in Microsoft Social Engagement, we track and monitor social posts from various sources. But I notice I've received a post from Charles. When I look at this post, Microsoft Social Engagement has used machine learning to identify an intent to request information from this particular customer and has automatically routed this directly into CRM so that we can take some action. So because the customer is looking to buy this MRI, we're going to automatically create a lead in Microsoft Dynamics CRM and generate this for our sales team to follow up. Well, our sales team has taken that lead and identified this is going to be a big project. So right within CRM, the new project service automation capabilities provides rich project capabilities to schedule out this complex project. I can see the Gantt chart of all of these different work items that need to happen. I can drag and manipulate the time frames of what needs to happen in terms of the amount of time each one of these tasks are going to take. But we can also smartly identify the right resourcing to facilitate this particular task. So by presenting all of this data, the person that's going to be managing this project and assigning resources can identify the best resources based on utilization and skill set and book them for this particular project. So thank you very much, and now back to Jujhar.
Thanks, Eric, for showing us 2016 live in action. We are really excited about the Spring 2016 wave and connected field service, and we are really looking forward to you using them. Be sure to check out all the great resources on the Interactive Service Hub. Thank you so much for joining us.